Alright, I'm going to go over how to create the featured slider. So we set our home page right now and we pulled in one widget. So the next thing we need to do is pull in our slider. So it actually will automatically start populating in that spot once we start adding some content. So what we're going to do is add a post, and each post is one slide, so it's pretty easy. So I'm going to do single or featured slider post is what I'll title it. And then let's go ahead and upload an image. I have an image already ready, so you can select them or drag and drop. And what you're going to want to do is select this image as use as featured image. So go ahead and click that. It says done. We can close out of that now. And you'll notice that our featured image ends up down here. Excuse me. So you can always remove or add more right down there. And then the next thing that we need to do is add this to the category featured. So if it hasn't been there, you can just add it like I did. Now in the future, we can just select it. It'll always be an option right here. So let's go ahead and publish that, and you'll see we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and view this in a new tab. So we now have our featured slider post. So it's pretty cool. Everything gets formatted for you, and you can start adding content. So let's go and just add some filler content from here. So we can just paste that in and update it. And I obviously have way too much text, so it's going to break the layout. And so you obviously only want a little excerpt up here. And so what you can do is just add, just find a spot to put it in. Let's just go ahead and just do the first sentence. And once you find a place that you want to break, you click insert more. So we're going to click that. And what that does is all the text above it will display on the index, and then on the actual post page, everything will display. So we'll go ahead and click update that. And now when we visit our home page, we have this, and then the cutoff link right here to read more. Then when we visit the page, we have all of our text displaying on the post page. So like I said, it's this, if you hover over it for a second, it'll say insert more tag. It's just this little button here, throws it in and cuts everything off for you. And it's the same way on the blogs, index pages, and the category pages as well. You'll want to use that more tag. So we can go over, let's go and just add another post, and then I can go over below it, there's some slider options. So let's just go ahead and add a new post and say latest featured post. And we're going to want to select the category featured. Let's go ahead and add some more text. We'll just cut it off at the same area. So we find a spot and click insert more. And then we need to upload an image now. I have another image ready. We'll click use as featured image and publish this. And now we have our two slides, and they automatically turn on some of the slider features. So the next thing I want to go over is a couple of these options down here. Obviously, you can do something like link to google.com, or you could link to another page on your website. You just type it down there under link to another page under slide options. So now when I click on this image, it'll take me to google.com, as that was what I typed in down there. And the last thing, if you want to have a full width slide, is you can type in full width down here. And what that does is makes that current slide full width. Hold on, let me double check that. It will make it span the full width. I need to just take a look at that, make sure it works. And that's that last option down there. And then you can adjust any of the slider properties under theme option.